Hey guys, welcome back to my video.
Welcome back to my channel.
So what I'm going to do today is a different type of video, but before I even start, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So the title today, as you guys can definitely see, it's obvious. We're translating Jamaican.
English.
Yes. No.
Patois into English.
Yes.
Patois into English.
Standard English into Jamaican.
So today,
Patois.
we're translating Patois into English or English into Patois. Which one?
Anyone?
Guys, leave our one, yeah? Later.
So that's what we're gonna do. Even though we get mixed up, but you guys understand. Translating English, standard English to Jamaican Patois. Okay? So I'll give you examples of each. I have a few notes. So the first one will be I will be right back. Here in Jamaica, we don't say that. What we normally say, I soon come, I soon forward. Yes, like when I go to the shop and I say, chin, I soon forward. The next one, to eat. When I say eat around here, we say yam. You're going to yam the pot of food in the kitchen, you know?
Guys, let's say eat to a man in the pan. Why?
Why? Jamaican man, they don't use the word eat, darling.
They use the pan. Why? They use consume.
Yeah, consume. Alright. Jamaica, what we call Jamaica down here, we call it yard, we call it jam rock or jam down. But me always call
Welcome to Jam Rock.
exactly. Jamaica is my country, you guys. Comment below which country you're from and let me know so I can see where you guys are
Yeah, let me
from.
know if you like Jamaicans,
Alright.
or you like the country, or you like something about
Or
that.
if you ever been to Jamaica before, let me know which part was your favorite part. The next one now, what we call a male friend. We call him brethren.
One bridging.
What you do, my G? Alright.
Bless up, man.
You know, I'm gonna call Chin now. She's a female. I call her sister. Or sister. Yes, my sister. Yes, my sister. If Chin like, next one now, well done. You see when Chin a cook? I don't say my girl is sell off, mama. It sell off, it's shot. And I know it turn up, it's wicked. Yeah. So next one now will be what's up. I would say Chin, what's up? I would be like, what you doing? What you depend? What you up to? Right? So everything good. Chin, everything not good?
Everything blessed.
Alright. If we not say blessed now, we'll say everything crisp. Or everything blessed. Or everything govern. Governor, big up yourself if you watch this. Governor. See you later. No. I say see you little more, my friend.
Yeah.
I walk good, catch her on the next them time there. Yeah. You know Jamaican. I understand what you're saying. Me understand what you're saying, no, mama. Oh, me get it. Oh, yeah. I it. Yeah. Over there. What? No. Over there, so round this, so round the corner, round this, so. Round this, so.
Right, that's so.
Right this, so. What are you up to?
Yeah.
Why you depend?
Please again.
Yes.
Shit, the Spanish Grandmother say, chop the Spanish ball.
The next one be like, I don't care. Me no business what you say. Like, you say something I don't hear. I say, me no business. Me no business. Next one say, bad mind. You say, bad mind? I don't say for bad mind.
Bad mind, please.
So I'm going to translate that part there. Bad mind is Jamaican, but in Spanish English, to be jealous. So you're jealous, so that means you're bad mind. Step up your game. When somebody says step up your game, if you not play one challenge, turn up your team. Turn up your team. Yes. We went to a party last night. It was awesome. That party there, turn up. Yeah. Turn up. Turn over its shell. Oh my God. Jesus, peace.
Yeah.
Jesus, peace. I want one. The next one. She not gonna laugh at that one.
Yeah, they are clash.
She not gonna laugh at that one. Yeah. Don't mess with me. No ramp with me, no. No ramp with me. No ramp with me, no. Oh my God. Jesus,
Peas and
Boy. Yeah. Move over, guys. You guys know in Jamaica we have some taxis, right? And them always say go over. Always say four in the back, you know. But Jamaican taxis want to hold 5 or more. So we always say small up yourself.
Small up yourself, my G.
Yeah, you have a small. Why? I don't know how them do it, you know. But we have to small for ourselves and everybody has to be in that taxi. Mix up. You see when chin go tell me some mix up. When I say mix up, you know, I say good girl come say with the pasta. You know the pasta for me today?
No.
Yes, for we know, we Jamaican will love to take picture. And
Not every Jamaican.
Oh well, I love to take pictures. Guys, follow me on Instagram. My link is in the
You love to take picture when you have done?
Oh rude. My Instagram name is Peter Gay Life. Next one, take me a picture. We say, take a picture, then mama. Take a picture. Yeah, you not take a picture. Alright, so next one now here is Don't Bother Me.
That bother me, man.
Yeah, that bother me. You want me out now? Yeah, the dog then. Let me tell you something. It is mine. Like if she have something for me, I say, I know you're not feeling one. Look good, girl. I mean, me myself. I'm a Christine. Christine, yeah. Just a little. Like, if you're going to cook, you put in a little bit of brown and curry. You don't put a lot, but we Jamaicans say just a toops. Just a toops. Canatis. I tell you about them canatis here now. You know what we call them? Ginal. Them ginal, you see? I tell you. Look at that. Kude! Kude! That was say. Kude, we're looking at that. Can you please beg us some now? Beg us some now? Yeah, that was the beg us some. Leave me alone. Dexter that song. Dexter that. I love you, you know. So for to leave me alone. But say let me alone. Let me in our ear. Yes, let me alone.
What a girl in my teeth.
Oh my gosh. Jesus, please. Why? Yeah. Excuse me. Like you're walking on the road, the man will be like, excuse me in English. You know what we normally say? Just a word there, mama. Just give me a word there. One word, mama. Alright, you're in a line and there's also a crowd. Can I pass? Oh, all they say? Beg you a pass there. Take care. You're leaving your friend's house. I'm saying, take care of yourself. Safe journey home. While I say, wow, good. Wow, good. Next time, be like, this one now is typical. You're walking on the road and you always have some man standing for the corner. And you're walking on all these things. They want, in English, they say, hi there. In Jamaican, they say, like they must play a big gun. So that's what some Jamaican men do. Guys, if you're liking this so far, let me know in the comment section. And if you guys want more videos like this, let me know. The next song will be like, thank you. In Jamaica, we say thanks. Yeah, thanks. The next one, well, for girlfriend or for someone who's carrying your baby, we don't really say it as girlfriend, we say baby mother. Are your baby mother that? She look cleany? Are your baby mother that? And for the fathers, they're not married, but they have, children, but they're just not married. It's normally say baby father. Is that a baby father or a baby daddy? You see, for the children now, everybody have a name. Down to the dog have a name. For the children now, we don't say children. We say picnic. But you pick them over, they start playing. Them can't stop ramp. Or they go take up on the book. Yes, we call them picnic. You see, for father, we call them father. Yeah, or poopa. Alright, for mother now. Chin, you want to that part, yeah? Well, let's say for mother.
Mama.
Alright,
Mama.
Yeah, we call them mama or mother.
Mama.
Mama, we normally call for grandparents.
No matter if you say you still call them mama and they're not old.
Oh. Right there. Like I said, chin, the brush is right here. I said chin, the brush right over there, so.
The brush dead, so.
The brush dead, so right over there, so. The next one, I'm okay. My good man, my good man. I am man. Serve you right. You see, because I do something now. And someone bad gonna reach you. In standard English, you guys say, serve you right. In Jamaica, what do you normally say?
Good for you.
Or a good. A good feeling. So they hear me tell you say, a good. Yeah. And just a few more. This is the last one, and then after I just go ahead and brainstorm some. Alright, for a slim girl in Jamaica, we call them slimmers. Yo, slimmers.
Or slim thick.
Or slim thick. Them slim and them thick up. Guys, I don't know what I'm, but I would say I'm a slim thick. Or thicker.
Yeah, thicker.
Thickers, big up on yourself. Slimmers, big up on yourself. And for Chinese man, every Chinese man in Jamaica, we call them Mr. Chin.
Oh.
Mr. Chin. You could have just, from a dog like a Jamaican, you just look brown and have them pretty hair there. Mr. Chin!
No, if I have the eye, you know that.
Yeah, from have the eye or whatever, we say Mr. Chin.
And when you're black, then call it chin. From my chin.
Guys, now to check out Chin channel. Our link is also in the description. But our link is all over my channel. You guys don't subscribe yet. What are you waiting on though? And let me see if I have any more. No. I think that's it for now because I don't remember anything else off my head right now. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give my video a thumbs up. If you guys know any Creole or translation I'm left out, comment them below. If you guys know any translation,
please let me know
in the comment section, okay? And remember, before you go, guys, if you reach this far and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go subscribe, that's a man. Watch the ads, and watch the ads too. And comment and share my video. And guys, what I'm going to do now in my upcoming videos, screenshot your favorite part of the video and mention me on any of my social, and I will post them, okay? So big up on yourself and still on a little more.